Hello my friends, just working some bees today. I'm installing my second nuc of the season. First one's going good. It's got a second box on and I'm about to put on a honey super here this week, if it doesn't rain all week. But here's a nuc I'm going to install. I just picked it up this morning. I got them sealed up still and they are not happy. See if you can hear them. I don't know if the audio picks that up, but they're pretty loud, all banging against the container. So I'm going to put the 5 frames in a nuc here in the middle. And as for the other frames, they're all have some pollen, some bee bread, crystallized honey that didn't extract. Cleaned off any brood, scraped off any brood. Some empty comb, a little bit of honey. But all the frames are like that, so they should be happy with that. But yeah, I got to get them out of this box and into this box. So I'm going to take them out in the same order they're in here and put them in here. And I got the inner cover and the lid I'll slap on, and that'll be that. Yeah, just give me a second. I'll set up the hands-free camera and show you what I'm doing. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh my! That'd be a good time to have a suit on, huh? That's a lot of bees in there. A nice full frame. Beautiful. I'll take it out of that. missing its... some space. Like a broken frame. Oh well. Smoke left. So I'm not trying to find a queen or check it out too much. Just looking quickly at what's on each frame. See quite a bit of brood, getting quite a bit of honey. I'm just trying to get them in here. They're stressed out, as you can see. So. This frame is super heavy. Must all be honey. Well, my gloves got stung once. Alright, now comes the fun part. I'm going to bang the rest of them in there. That's how to upset your bees. Probably doesn't help. There's a thunderstorm coming. and that they were in the car for 2 hours. I mean, I was in a car for 2 hours listening to the Joe Rogan comedy special or whatever. I wasn't too happy, so no wonder the bees are upset. And as usual, my smoke runs out. Yeah, as you can see, there's still quite a few bees in the box. There's probably more bees in this box than the whole nuc I got from Hive World. If you're in Alberta, you're looking to buy bees, don't buy them from Hive World. I highly recommend the guy who bought the bees off here. This was, what was it called? Blissful Bees Apiary, or Little Mercer Farm. I'll put the link in the description below. But this guy was super helpful, answered lots of questions, and as you can see, gave me lots of bees. So I don't know, my queen's in there. I'll leave the camera rolling for this part because when I get stung in the face, right? Oh, that was pretty good, actually. Pretty good. Yeah, like if I just opened up I think that was a full box. I'm very impressed. Yeah, Blissful Bees Apiary, Little Mercer Farm, I think Tomahawk, Alberta. Close to Drayton Valley, I suppose. Close to Wobbleman. So yeah, here's how to install a nuc. I don't recommend banging them around and doing it in this sort of weather. I want to get them in there before the rain. Please don't do it like I did it, because you'll probably get stung in the face or something. Especially strange bees. They don't know you and they're stressed out. But some smoke gets the queen moving away from you so you don't squish her or lose her when you're doing it. Drives her into the middle of the frames. Yeah, I just transferred the 5 frames, same order, same positions they were in the other box. So any comb that was built up while they were together, you know, fits up nicely. Left some extra space on this one here because the end pieces are broken off, missing. Yeah, that's super healthy. They found the entrance already. There might be some drift between the two, but at the end of the day, it's no problem. I'm pretty sure it'll get off to a good start like this. All the comb I put in there and the honey, bee bread and pollen already ready to go. We got some empty comb to lay eggs. It's looking good. So yeah, the colony on the left I got 2 weeks ago. That's a Hawaiian queen, I believe. And the colony on the right that I just installed now is a locally bred queen. So this is what, the 2nd week of June. Yeah, I'm really impressed. So we'll see how they do, Hawaiian versus Albertan, but I'm sure they'll both do fine. I got lots of resources, and I live out here, and we're getting lots of rain. There's lots of nature around me, so the bees won't starve. Alright, my friends, if you like this, well, hey, subscribe, hang around. Love to have more friends. But hope you're all doing well wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.